Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the arc length. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to find first derivative of the function with respect to t. With this one similar and this one similar, so we have the s over dt. So first derivative of t, we have number 1, so we just have number 5 in here. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0, so we have 5. Similar for the next one, we have 4, and the last one we have negative number 1. Now we applied the formula in here, so the formula of this one, that should be about the integration. So we have from number 1 to number 5, so we put number 1 in here, number 5 in here, and we have the integration. So we have the s over dt to the power of 2 plus dy over dt to the power of 2, and the next one dz over dt to the power of 2, and we have dt in here. So we put 5 for negative number 1 gone here, so that should be like this. This one, we have the square root of 42, and we have the integration from number 1 to number 5 dt, and now we have the final answer. So we put number 5 gone here, number 1 gone here. Five minus 1, we have 4. So on the question, they want to find 3 decimal places or an exact number. So I will choose about this one in here, and we just write this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.